Welcome back to Grillin' with Grove. My name's Austin, and today what I've got going for you is a barbecued chicken. Now this is not a normal sized chicken, this is a young chicken, so it's a little bit smaller, so that should be perfect for our cook today. I'll give you a shot of that in the next frame. Also, we've got a couple product reviews going on today. The first product review that we'll be looking at is the Mojo Bricks company. So they have these compressed wood chunks, and you can just throw these on the fire and get to smoking. You don't have to soak them. I haven't used these before, but I heard they're pretty good, so I went out and bought myself some, and we'll be testing them out today on this chicken. Also, we're going to do a spice, and our spice today that we're using is the BBQ 3000 by Penzi Spices. I really do like the Penzi Spice Company. I have quite a bit of their stuff, and today we'll be going over this one. So the way that we're going to do this chicken is we're going to inject the chicken and then rub it down and then get it on the smoker. So let's get to that injection. You can get a good look there of our injector and take a look at that injection. It's taking on the color of our barbecue rub, and that's because we have 1 teaspoon of the barbecue rub in there. We also put in 2 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of brown sugar, and that is 2 cups of water. So we're gonna get this bird injected up and then we'll get it on the grill. There's our chicken on the grill. That rub has a nice color to it. We've got it injected as well, and you can see our Mojo Brick over there starting to get to work. I've been pretty impressed so far. It smells really good, and the burning consistency is very interesting because it doesn't just go up in flames. It kind of smolders like, even though it is supposed to be kind of like wood chunks. All right, everyone, we'll get this cooking and we'll check back periodically. Here's what our bird looks like after an hour. Our Mojo Brick is still smoldering, so we still got smoke coming from that, so that's good. And our bird is starting to develop a nice color. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this for even cooking, and then we'll be checking on it periodically. It's been another hour. The Mojo Brick is still going, and I've flipped the chicken, and we're temping out at about 155, so we actually don't have much longer left. So I'm thinking an hour or less. We'll check on it periodically, and we'll get back to you with the finished product. All right, we're back, and you saw a shot of that chicken. So let's go ahead and get to the taste test. I've got a leg piece here. So let's get some piece with the meat and the skin. It's really good. It picked up a lot of that Mojo Brick flavor from the Hickory Mojo Brick. I definitely like that product. It smoked for about 2.5 to 3 hours, so it's definitely good. Very comparable to a regular chunk. That rub has a very basic barbecue flavor taste to it. It's not sweet, it's not spicy, it's not salty, but it's all of those kind of together. So it definitely makes for good on chicken. So I'm definitely happy how this cook came out. If you guys like what I'm doing, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share the video with your friends. And then if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you won't miss another video. See you on the next one.